Thank you very much. I'm Kailash Sharma from Gurgaon. Building trust as a leader allows you some leeway to make mistakes, but the key is that the trust must always outweigh the bad decisions. No one is perfect, and every leader will lose a little credibility from time to time. However, if you have built yourself a solid foundation to stand on, your employees will stick with you when times get tough. Trust is the foundation of leadership, is the law of solid ground, and same is the topic for today for me to speak. That is the law of solid ground. What exactly is the law of solid ground? It is the trust-based leadership. Leaders cannot repeatedly break their employees' trust and still hope to influence them. हम ये चाहें कि हम उनका ट्रस्ट तोड़ दें और वो हमें और हम उनको इन्फ्लुएंस कर पाए. It is not possible. The leader has to develop a trust in employees or in the company or in the जो उनके सबऑर्डिनेट्स हैं और जिनके साथ वो काम करता है लीडर, उनके अंदर उनका एक ट्रस्ट डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. Leaders cannot repeatedly break their employees' trust and still hope to influence them. Trust is like coins in a leader's pocket. When you make a good leadership decision, you gain more change, and poor decisions cost you change. People will forgive occasional mistakes based on ability, especially if they can see that they are still growing as a leader, and they will give you some time to correct, but they won't trust someone who has slips in character. Having a strong moral character makes it possible for your employees to trust you, which in turn makes it possible for you to lead them. Every employee has been burned by bad leaders too many times to take a chance on someone swiftly. And हमने बचपन में भी कई बार एक बार सुना है कि if health is money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost, and if character is lost, everything is lost. So people or leaders have to have a great character in their life to influence their people. Every employee has been banned by bad leaders too many times to take a chance on someone safety. Your character communicates consistency, potential, and respect to your employees, which reinforces that they are in good hands. The law of solid ground in your business. What is the law of solid ground helps in your business? That is to make the law of solid ground for you. Start by asking yourself, how trustworthy would your teammates say you are? Do they feel comfortable approaching you with both good and bad news? Do they keep you posted about the task you assign them, even when the things are not going well? They must communicate with you in all the circumstances. If the answer is no, they might not trust you very much after all. If answer is no, they might not trust you very much after all. Part of building trust involves making a daily effort to better yourself as a person and a leader. You have to make daily effort to make a good leader. Take time to develop not only your professional skills, increasing your capability as a business owner, but also to develop your empathy and respect for those who work with you and those who work for you. Your employees will feel comfortable approaching you if they feel that they can talk to you. One of the best ways to build trust between yourself and your employees is to communicate effectively with them. Communication is one of the best methods to have a good leadership. Make yourself available all the time to your subordinates or to your employees so that they can approach you in all the circumstances. Take the time to learn the names and stories of the people you work with. Employees trust leaders who care. Do you have to take care of your all the employees and subordinates? Creating an open line of dialogue lets them know they won't be punished for voicing opinions. The opinions may be different, but you have to you have to create a atmosphere of confidence, or creating an open line of dialogue so that they can confide in you. Finally, it is important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, but it is how you handle those mistakes that matter most. If you break someone's trust to, or act in a way that is incongruent with the leadership style, apologize and make things right. You have to accept your mistakes. If you make any mistake, you have to accept your mistake, and sometimes you have to make apologize to make the things right. Your employees will appreciate having a humble leader with a well-managed ego. In the last, the crux of the topic is that no one will follow a leader who they don't trust. So you have to develop a trust in your subordinates and your employees. Thank you, sir.